What's the meaning of auditor? Auditor. Auditor.
Auditor. Auditor. An auditor is a person or organization responsible for evaluating and verifying financial records, statements, and reports. They ensure that the information presented is accurate, complete, and compliant with relevant regulations and standards. The results of an audit can provide assurance to stakeholders such as investors, regulators, and creditors about the financial health and performance of a company or organization. Auditors play a crucial role in maintaining trust in the economy and ensuring accountability in business practices.